Hi, Miss Clayton here. Now I'm going to show you how to expand numbers. This is where you really get to understand the value of each individual digit within a number. Let's look at this first digit, let's look at this first number, 23,789. Pause the video to say the number yourself. Okay, let's expand this number. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to expand a number. Here's the first one. This number, 23,789, is expanded by looking at the value of each of these individual digits. So this 2 is actually worth 20,000, plus the 3, which is worth 3,000, the 7, which is worth 700, the 8, worth 80, and the 9 worth 9 ones. So it becomes 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. Just a little reminder to remember to put the gaps in here when you're writing these numbers. Let's expand it the second way. Now we need to use brackets. So this 2 in the number here we know is worth 20,000. Which is actually 2 lots of 10,000. 2 times 10,000 is 20,000. So we open the brackets and we write 2 times 10,000, close the brackets. Adding that next to the 3, which is worth 3,000. So 3 lots of 1,000. 3 times 1,000, close the brackets, plus, open the brackets, 7 times 100. 7 times 100 is 700. Close the bracket, addition, open the brackets. 8 lots of 10, 8 times 10, which equals 80. Close the bracket. Add, open the brackets, 9 times 1, because the 9 is just worth 9 ones. Just remember that you need to have the brackets around each of these because you're multiplying inside of them, then adding, then multiplying inside here, adding, and so on. Let's have a look at the third way of representing this number in expanded notation. Here we understand that the 2 is worth 2 10,000s, a capital T, and for tens of thousands, the TH there for thousands. 2 10,000s plus 3 thousands, capital T, lowercase h, plus 7 hundreds, write it as the H's for hundreds as a capital, 7 hundreds, plus 8 tens, the capital T for tens, plus 9 units. Now we don't write a 0 there as in ones because that could be misinterpreted as 90. So we write 9 units and a capital U there. Let's have a look at another number. This number is 367,980. We have a placeholder here, so that might change a few things when we're expanding numbers. Let's say the number again, 367,980. Pause the video now to say the number yourself. Okay, let's look at how we might represent this number in expanded notation. I've just put 2 examples here. You could show it like in this formation here or this one here. Let's have a closer look. So we're looking at the 3, which is worth 300,000, plus the 6, which is worth 60,000, the 7, which is worth 7,000, plus 900, plus 80, plus 0. You can write the 0 or add 0 here at the end, but you don't have to. So here I've just shown you an alternative way of writing it without the plus 0. The same thing happens when you're writing if the placeholder's within the number. You don't have to add that 0 in as part of your number sentence. It's up to you. Let's have a look at another way expanding this number. Again, brackets are involved here. 3 times 100,000 because that 3 is worth 100,000. Plus 6 times 10,000 because the 6 is worth 6 times 10,000. plus 7 times 1,000 plus 9 times 100 and 8 times 10, because 8 tens are 80. Down the bottom, the final way of writing this number in words, the 3 is worth 3 hundreds of thousands, plus 6 10,000s, plus 7 thousands, plus 9 hundreds, plus 8 tens. Let's have a look at another number. 6,872,431. Pause the video now and say the number yourself. Okay, let's look at how we might expand this number in 3 different ways. Begin with the 6, which is 6 million, plus 800,000, plus 70,000, plus 2,000, plus 400, plus 30, plus 1. Going down now to using the brackets. This 6 times 1 million, because it's worth 6 million, plus 8 times 100,000, because it's worth 800,000, 7 times 10,000, because it's worth 70,000, 2 times 1,000, because it is worth 2,000, 4 times 100, because it is worth 400, 3 times 10, which is worth 30, and 1 times 1 is 1. And the final way, 6 million, and the millions represented by a capital M, so 6 million plus 800,000 plus 7 tens of thousands plus 2 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 1 unit.